Welcome to today's educational journey as we explore the fascinating world of plastic. In this video, we will delve into the intricate process of how plastic is made, from its raw materials to its final forms. So, let's begin our exploration of the manufacturing of plastic. Plastic, as we know it today, was invented in the early 20th century. The first fully synthetic plastic, Bakelite, was developed in 1907 by Belgian-born American chemist Leo Hendrik Baekeland. Bakelite was a thermosetting phenol formaldehyde resin, which marked a significant breakthrough in the development of synthetic materials. While Bakelite was the first synthetic plastic, earlier forms of semi-synthetic plastics had been developed before that. For example, celluloid, a type of plastic made from cellulose nitrate, was patented in 1869 by American inventor John Wesley Hyatt. Celluloid was widely used in the film industry and as a substitute for materials like ivory and tortoiseshell. It's worth noting that natural polymers, such as rubber, shellac, and gutta percha, have been used for various purposes for centuries. However, the development of fully synthetic plastics like Bakelite revolutionized the materials industry and paved the way for the wide range of plastics we have today. China has been the largest producer and consumer of plastic for several years. Its manufacturing industry, extensive population, and high consumption levels contribute to its significant plastic production. The United States follows right after and is the second largest plastic producer due to its strong industrial sector and consumer demand. However, it's worth noting that China surpassed the United States as the world's largest producer around 2006. Now let's move on to the plastic making progress. Plastic is a versatile and widely used material in our daily lives. It is found in everything from packaging materials to electronics, automotive parts, and even medical devices. But have you ever wondered how this ubiquitous material is produced? The first step in the production of plastic involves obtaining the raw materials. The primary building blocks of plastic are called polymers. Polymers are long chains of repeating molecules, and they can be derived from various sources, including natural substances like cellulose or synthetic materials derived from petrochemicals. Once the raw materials are obtained, they undergo a process called polymerization. Polymerization is a chemical reaction that links the monomer molecules together to form larger polymer chains. This process can be achieved through various methods, such as addition polymerization or condensation polymerization, depending on the type of plastic being produced. After polymerization, the plastic material is in a raw form and needs to undergo further processing to achieve its desired shape and properties. There are several methods used for processing plastic, including extrusion, injection molding, blow molding, and thermoforming. Each method involves heating the plastic material and shaping it into the desired form using molds or dies. Plastic manufacturers often incorporate additives to enhance the properties of the plastic. These additives can include stabilizers to prevent degradation from heat or UV light, plasticizers to increase flexibility, pigments to provide color, and flame retardants for increased fire resistance. Additives play a crucial role in customizing the plastic to meet specific requirements. Once the plastic is processed and additives are incorporated, it undergoes finishing touches and quality control measures. This includes cutting, trimming, and surface treatments to ensure the final product meets the desired specifications. Quality control checks are performed to verify the strength, durability, and other performance characteristics of the plastic. As we become increasingly aware of the environmental impact of plastic waste, recycling and sustainability have gained significant importance. Plastic can be recycled through processes such as mechanical recycling, where the plastic is melted and reformed into new products, or chemical recycling, where the plastic is broken down into its basic components for further use. Plastic pollution is a pressing environmental issue that poses significant threats to ecosystems and human well-being. With its durable nature and widespread use, plastic has become a ubiquitous pollutant in our oceans, rivers, land, and even the air we breathe. Plastic waste, particularly single-use items like bottles, bags, and packaging, finds its way into waterways and is ingested by marine life, leading to entanglement, suffocation, and disruption of natural habitats. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles, have infiltrated even the most remote areas, endangering wildlife and potentially entering the food chain. Plastic pollution calls for urgent action, emphasizing the need for sustainable practices, waste reduction, proper disposal, and innovative solutions to combat this global crisis. Did you know that microplastic pollution has been detected in human blood, with scientists finding the tiny particles in almost 80% of the people tested? The discovery shows the particles can travel around the body and may lodge in organs. Studies have shown that microplastics, which are tiny particles of plastic less than 5 mm in size, have been found in various parts of the environment, including water bodies, air, and even in certain food products. There is also evidence to suggest that microplastics can be ingested by organisms, including humans, through food, water, and inhalation. While the presence of microplastics in the human body has been detected in some studies, typically in the form of microplastic particles found in tissues or organs, it is important to note that the implications and potential health effects are still being investigated. The long-term impacts of microplastic exposure on human health are not yet fully understood, and further research is needed to determine the extent of any potential risks. And there you have it, the journey of how plastic is made. From its raw materials to its final forms, plastic manufacturing is a complex and intricate process that has revolutionized our modern world. As we move forward, it is crucial to prioritize recycling and sustainable practices to minimize the environmental impact of plastic waste. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the world of plastic production. If you have any further questions or want to delve deeper into this topic, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting adventures. See you in our next video.